guys, so just before we get into the video, I wanted to talk with you guys a little bit about channel memberships as well as channel support in general. So my channel memberships are $2.99 a month, and with that you get custom emojis that you can use during live chats and whatnot. And then I also have member-only videos, which are usually a more personal look into my life. They're more blog style. And also on a sporadic basis, I do member-only giveaways. My goal, though, is to be able to do more giveaways. Not just member-only giveaways, but more giveaways in general on the channel. But I would like to reach a point where I can do at least one members only giveaway a month. As far as other channel support, there are multiple ways that you can do that, which are all in the description box below. So if you guys really enjoy my content and you guys can, maybe you could do me a favor and check out, my channel channel memberships, or check out the options for channel support in general. It is greatly appreciated. Like I said, I do have some goals where I'd like to be able to start doing more regular giveaways for you guys. So yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys, and welcome to another Stitch of the Week. If you're new to my channel, my name is Adrian, and Kiwi is my Indian ringneck. If you're new to this series on my channel, basically what it is each Friday I show you guys a stitch tutorial. Right now those stitches are coming out of this book called the New Crochet Stitch Dictionary. And I will leave the information for where you can get this book at in the description box below. For this stitch tutorial, I'm just going to be using some scrap yarn that I have and a 5.5 millimeter hook. This one was handmade for me, and it was made to look like Kiwi, little fat chubby Kiwi. But I will leave the link to the Etsy shop where you guys can get hooks like this. She does do custom work. All you have to do is shoot her a message. But she has over 150 different designs that she keeps in her shop regularly for people to choose from. So if you're in the mood for a new hook, you guys might go check it out. Anyways, let's jump into the tutorial. Alright guys, so this week's stitch is number 11, staggered half double crochet, half double crochets. This is what it'll look like. So for this stitch, you guys are going to chain any stitch number you want plus 2. We're still working through basic stitch variations. So obviously we're going to be working with half double crochets. It's not necessarily one of my favorite basic stitches, but we're going to work this up. So I am going to go ahead and chain, let's do 14. And we're going to half double crochet into the third chain from the hook. So we're going to skip this one, and we're going to half double crochet into the next one. And I'm going to go ahead and half double crochet all the way across. So I should have 12 half double crochets in my row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, for row 2, we're going to go ahead and chain up 2 and turn our work. And then we are going to be working our half double crochets in between the posts of these other double crochets. So we're going to work one down in here, if you guys can see that. And then we're going to pull it apart. We're going to work another one right in between there. So we'll go in through there. Oh, actually I split the yarn there. We're just going to go all the way across making half double crochets, but you're going to place them in between the posts of the double crochet, or of the half double crochets. Almost to the end. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We need one more. So that one is actually going to go in between the half double crochet and the chain 2 space. Which will give us our 12 that we need, or that I need for my stitch count. You may have decided to do a different number. So we're going to chain 2, turn our work, and again we're going to go in between the 2 half double crochets. In between, there's a post here and a post here. We're going to do 1 double crochet there, and we're going to go all the way across, making sure to place those half double crochets in between the spaces. I keep wanting to call them double crochets. Uh-oh, split the yarn again. I tend to split my yarn a little bit when I'm trying to do half double crochets. I get to going too fast and always end up splitting the yarn in one way or another. Okay, so this is what it's starting to look like. I am going to work up a few more rows, and then I will meet back up with you guys and show you what my swatch looks like. This is just a one row repeat, so it's a super easy stitch. Yeah, so I'll meet back up with you guys here in a few minutes. Alright guys, so I'm back. I did a few more rows. I actually really like this stitch. I would probably use it for maybe a blanket or a scarf. It's quite nice. That is what it looks like. I like it quite a bit, even though I don't really like half double crochets. I think it's a nice stitch. If I used a larger hook, I think it would be quite drapey even. I could see myself using it to make something kind of boho if I used a larger hook or a drapier yarn. I can see myself using it to make a sweater or something of that nature, or a blanket. I feel like it's very versatile. It's a very quick, very easy one row repeat, so that's kind of cool. I really like this stitch quite a bit, actually, which is, it's really surprising to me because I really don't care for half double crochet. A lot of times when I see half double crochets in a pattern, I really absolutely dread it. But anyways, guys, that is what I have for Stitch of the Week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys use this stitch for a project, please take pictures and send them to my email, which you can find in the description box below. If you've used this stitch and you have opinions, please let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Yeah, so I guess that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.